Hello, this is Christian here from christianasari.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use your Google AdWords data in conjunction with your Google Analytics data in order to improve the effectiveness and the profitability of your AdWords campaigns. Now, first up, I'm going to assume that you have already linked your Google AdWords and Google Analytics accounts together. If you haven't, I have already created a video on how to link the two accounts together, so check that out because you will need to have linked them together before you can actually use the data using this tactic that I'm going to show you. So what I'm going to show you is really just importing some of the analytics data that you are able to import straight into your AdWords dashboard so that you can see what's happening straight away. And in another video I'll try to go through what this data actually means for those of you who haven't already made use of that information. So this is a snapshot of the campaigns page, and specifically within the ad groups page of a campaign that you would have in typically in your AdWords campaign. And in the boxed area in red, you can see the data that's provided to you by default from Google for your AdWords campaign. So we're gonna at the end I'll come back to this and show you what you have actually achieved and discuss briefly what that could mean for you. So from wherever you are within your AdWords dashboard, what you can do, so in this case I'm actually at the home page, but whether you're at the campaigns page, the opportunities page, the billing page, or tools and analysis, what you need to do is click on the My Account tab, and then you'll see a drop down menu, and then select linked accounts. Once you do that, you will be presented with this screen here, and what you will do is just click on view details, and in this section, assuming this is just for your own business and your own website, you'll just have the one profile, presumably. I mean, you can have multiple profiles, and in some circumstances it is advisable, but certainly you'd have the one account. And what you do, just hit the expand button, which will then open up, and it will just confirm the name of your website and your profile. And in this area here, you'll normally have your Google Analytics account number. Expand this again, and then you'll have the option to add that profile. So the first thing you do, just add that profile, and then you should see this go to one profile linked, and then select save. So you'll see the number one here. Once you've selected save, this is what you'll then be presented with. So it's just a advice to say, yeah, you've linked it, but now you've got to import the data that you actually want into your AdWords account. And this data can be applied at all levels of your AdWords campaign. So the structures of your AdWords campaign, which are your campaigns, your ad groups, your ads, and the keywords. So in order to import this data, what you now need to do is go to your AdWords account, select campaigns first. Then once you've selected campaigns, you'll see the columns. You can also do this for ad groups, ads, and keywords, as I said, and then customize columns. once you select customize columns, this image here will appear for you, and normally the first metric will be what's displayed, whatever that is. In this case is attributes. Select Google Analytics. Once you select Google Analytics, then you will be presented with 4 metrics which you can now add to either your campaigns page or your ad groups page or your ads or your keywords. And in this case I'm just gonna go ahead and add all 4 for you. So once you select add, you'll see the words added, and then on this side here you'll see what you have added will be at the bottom, and you have the option to remove it at any stage. Select apply, and then that is it. So if you've decided to add it to the ad groups level, then you will see the new data. So in this case it was the bounce rate, pages per visit, the average visit duration in seconds of your visitors, and the percentage of new visits, or so the percentage of visitors that are new to your website. So as you can see, this is the AdWords data on the ad groups level. So I actually should have showed you one with the campaign, but it doesn't matter. Sticking with the ad groups level, so now you can see the new data has been added, and that's it. So when you add it, that you will have nothing but zeros, but over time, or if you go and look at your data for the last week or last 2 weeks, then you will see some useful information. So that is it. I hope you have found that useful. You can now use that data, and as I say, in another video I'll talk about some of the uses of that data, or what it means and how you can use it. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to my channel and you'll be alerted of new videos that I create, and you can do that by simply hitting the subscribe button below. Thank you, and I hope that's useful.